Are you looking for a stunning century home right in the heart of the city of Barrie?
Right across the street from a recreational paradise, Queen's Park.
Or are you looking for a legal duplex? All that and more on today's episode.
All right, Chad, today we find ourselves here walking through beautiful Queen's Park, literally steps away, right across the street from our newest listing, this stunning century home. And Queen's Park, like I mentioned here, is truly a recreational paradise. If you're the one looking for that outdoor lifestyle, you have it right here, again, right across the street from this beautiful home. I'm talking tennis, we got trails, acres of green space, baseball diamonds, playgrounds for the kids. It doesn't get any better than that.
But the house itself, it's an absolutely gorgeous century home. Welcome to 66 Parkside. You have a legal duplex here. 2 bedrooms up in the main unit, 1 bath in the back unit as well. You have a nice bedroom and a bathroom as well. So a nice legal duplex here, whether you're looking to keep the current tenants, which have been here for a long time and they love it, or possibly own or occupy yourself with an in-law in the back. It's a fantastic opportunity with some great century finishes, 10-inch baseboards to some amazing details on the ceiling. It's an absolute showstopper, not including exactly what you just talked about, right across the road from Queen's Park in Barrie.
Welcome to this stunning porch here at 66 Parkside, and this is something I love about these century homes here in downtown Barrie, is the attention to detail and finishes in these beautiful homes. This porch is phenomenal, looking right across the street to that Queen's Park. We started in there. Can't think of a better way to watch the kids out front playing and having a great time. Now that century detail that we can see here on the front with the columns and this gorgeous brickwork continues inside to this front unit where we have 2 bedrooms, a beautiful sunroom in there as well on the second floor. But those details like the 10-inch baseboards, we've got the finish level on the ceilings is evident throughout this home. It is truly phenomenal.
That's right, it's a legal duplex. So right out back is a really nice 1-bedroom unit. Lots of good square footage, enough parking for about 4 cars. One of the best parts though, they are self-contained, but they do connect via a porch, if that was the answer for you.
Now, Chad, there is not much not to love about this home, about this location, Queen's Park across the way. But something we didn't hit on is that we are just a short 5 to 10 minute walk right into Barrie's downtown core. Such a vibrant scene down there, 4 seasons. I mean, we've got incredible restaurants. We've got Meridian Place. We've got the waterfront just steps away as well. Phenomenal beach at Centennial Beach. A few more beaches as well. You're a boater, we've got the marina. It doesn't get any better than that here in the heart of downtown Barrie.
It doesn't. We are the Knowles Woolsey team and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.